We did it! All of you that kept the solar dream alive, you helped create the GoSun Fusion, a hybrid solar and electric oven that goes anywhere and cooks delicious meals for 5 day or night. At just 14 pounds, it can be carried in just one hand. The silicone dampener provides impeccable durability for the vacuum tube oven. GoSun's breakthrough that allows solar cooking in the harshest conditions. If the sun is nowhere to be found, the cooking continues within the 3-liter stainless tray thanks to a 150-watt electric heating element. It can be powered with the world's most common port, the 12-volt cigarette plug, found in every car, boat, and RV ever made. Or GoSun's optional power bank that holds enough energy to cook a meal while off-grid. To get cooking, place the Fusion on a flat, level surface. Pull the legs out from their seated position and remove the closure straps. These reflectors will triple the sunlight absorbed, and they are locked open. The GoSun dial will ensure you're catching the most sunlight by transferring the sun's glare onto the target below. The Fusion is tilted with 2 hands pressing down on the end caps and angled by rotating on its scratch-proof feet. When the sun is gone, you can switch to cooking on electricity by simply plugging in the power cord into the cooking tray, then into the 12-volt power source and flipping it on. The 150-watt heating element pulls about 12 amps, which is 1/10 of the power of other electric ovens. The optional power bank becomes a source of energy to run the Fusion at night, and it's capable of charging a cell phone about 10 times. The power bank can be charged with a 30-watt folding solar panel in 1 day's worth of sunshine. The GoSun Thermo Temperature Gauge comes with an app that reports temperature immediately on screen and back to your phone. You can receive an alert to your phone when your food is ready at the pre-selected temperature. Finally, when you're ready to move, the Fusion plus all your accessories and ingredients fit into the padded carrying case for added protection. You might want to join over 4,000 others in the GoSun Community Kitchen group on Facebook to see what everybody is sharing, or check out recipe links on our website at gosun.co. Cooking with GoSun is somewhere between a crock pot and an oven. Food cooks in its own juices, a bit like steaming, and at a pace that is similar to an oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't need to preheat the Fusion, so it will take a little extra time to ramp up. Once the dish is cooking, the heat captured is held inside, so you'll be able to keep the food hot and juicy for hours. As the Chinese have known for centuries, it helps to cut food into smaller chunks to give the heat more surface area. If you're roasting meats, you may want to empty the liquid that builds up, so the meat will brown better. A meat probe thermometer like the GoSun Thermo is always advisable. Roasting a bunch of root vegetables is a good meal to start with. We use the GoSun all the time for egg dishes and baking quick breads. Again, there's 1,000 recipe ideas to be found online. We hope you'll join the fuel-free frontier. Subscribe to our channel, join our Facebook group, and let GoSun help you use more sun.
Meet the GoSun Grill, a game-changing solar cooker that can bake, boil, and fry a meal in cloudy weather. It's as fast as a normal grill, but goes where other grills can't. It remains free of carbon crud while retaining your food's rich, natural flavors. The secret to this technology is our vacuum tube, which absorbs light while acting as a perfect insulator. With this technology, GoSun is revolutionizing cooking for people around the world. We invite you to join the next evolution in cooking. Welcome to the fuel-free frontier. We are GoSun, and we believe the sun can and will power the future. Solar power technology has become more popular and affordable than ever, but we're still burning fuel to cook. It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the GoSun Fusion. More than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable, yet large enough to feed a family, and can even cook with the sun at night thanks to an integrated electric heating element that cooks using a fraction of the energy of other electric stoves. It uses about the same power as your computer, but cooks a full meal for 5 in under an hour. If you don't have sunshine, all it takes is the push of a button to activate the 150-watt heater. With the optional lithium-ion power bank, you can easily carry enough energy to cook a meal anytime, anywhere. With the solar PV upgrade, the electricity used to charge the power bank can be made from the sun, so you're cooking on sunshine day or night. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the GoSun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes.
The GoSun Fusion is a deliberate evolution of our original stoves. Durable and reliable, bringing together the best of solar and electric heating into an experience we believe is totally game-changing.
GoSun has been making waves in outdoor cooking thanks to breakthrough vacuum-insulated technology. You won't go hungry, and you're never out of gas. Our stoves are being used by more than 25,000 happy customers. We've created a full lineup of solar ovens, large and small, but everyone has been asking for a larger oven with the ability to cook at night. After 4 years of development, it's finally here. We're excited to introduce our hybrid fusion here on Kickstarter, where GoSun began with the help of this community. GoSun Fusion lets you do the cooking at a fraction of the power and a fraction of the fuss, giving you the freedom to do the things you love, to feed those you care for, and to cook off-grid without gas. GoSun welcomes you to the fuel-free frontier.
So we're going to be testing out GoSun's solar oven. This is the mini version, the GoSun Go. It only weighs 2 pounds and can heat up to 550 degrees. Woo! It says it cooks in clouds and freezing cold. We're not going to have to worry about that today. Meals in minutes. No fuel needed. No earthly fuel, but you do need the sun. Bake, broil, fry, steam, and roast. Let's get into this thing. Here's your little silicone cooking trays. Here's your solar cooker and a cleaning brush. If this thing works, this might be one of the coolest things I've reviewed on Unbox Warehouse. This is fancy. Look how portable that is. Oh, okay. Some protective plastic. You don't need that. And there you go. You got a solar cooker. Inside, it's like metallic red. It's crazy looking in there. You see that? Heat goes in, doesn't come out. That's how it gets hot. And down the bottom here, you have a little dot that's designed to line up the sun perfectly so that these little dishes reflect all the heat into the cooking tube. Here's some cooking times for different foods inside. With good sun, you're looking at about 30 minutes to cook 6 hot dogs. That's not bad. Now, if you want to boil liquid, you put it directly in this tube. Then you pull off this little silicone cap here and cover up the heating tube till your water's boiling. So let's gather up some grub and hit the beach and test this thing out. And we're out here at beautiful Memorial Park. You see the sun is shining. It's a little bit colder. I got my coat on. It's about 57 degrees, but we're gonna give this thing a shot here today on a sunny day. All right, so only 6 minutes and this thing is past 200 degrees. I think we're ready to start cooking. So 6 shrimp fit perfectly in one of these trays and 1 hot dog. All right, we're still at 150 degrees after I put the food in, but the food's cold, so the temperature is dropping. It's now at 147. We'll see how long it takes to get these shrimp and this hot dog up to temperature, but I think it should take about 20 minutes. All right, so it's been about 25 minutes and the GoSun Go is up to about 190 degrees. It's been well over 145, which is the minimum cooking temperature for shrimp for a while now. So we're gonna open this up and see how it's looking. Looks pretty good. They actually look done and they smell delicious. The hot, woo! That hot dog is hot. All right, here's one of the shrimp. They do look completely done. They look delicious. Let's give it a try. That's good. Not bad for camping food. That hot dog's better than the shrimp, honestly. That's a little embarrassing. We'll go ahead and try to cook 2 croissants using the sun. These croissants have been in here now for about 38 minutes and they look like they're done. I can smell them. The temperature is 354 degrees right now inside the solar oven. So we're gonna pull these out and see how they look. Those things are browned and crisp. This one looks, woo, they're hot. This one's actually getting burnt a little bit on the end. I think I pulled them out just in time. 38 minutes, that's not bad for just the sun, no electricity. Completely done. I might have overcooked them. What's really cool is no matter how hot this is, even when it was 350 degrees, you can still touch this outer glass and it is cold to the touch. You can't burn yourself on this solar oven. The last test we're gonna do is we're gonna see how long it'll take to boil some water in the solar oven. Water boils at I think 212 degrees. So let's see how long it takes to do that. So it's been about 1 hour and 15 minutes and the water is boiling. I can see it. I'm gonna pop it open, let you guys see, and then have our final thoughts. Woo! And when you're all done, you just snap this off. This folds up. Nothing's hot. Zipper it up. And there's your whole GoSun Go. Super portable. So super small, super portable, and it boiled water just like it said.